Assalamu alaikum everyone. In AS Economics today, we will discuss two MCQs. These MCQs are taken from Topical Pure Topic number 5.5 and the topic is exchange rate. The first MCQ is taken from Winter 2009, paper 1-2, question 28 and the topic is trade weighted exchange rate. Country X trades with only two countries, the USA and Japan. 90% of countries' trade is with the USA and 10% is with Japan. The original value of the trade weighted exchange rate index is 100. The value of country X's currency against the US dollar rises by 10%. The value of country X's currency against the Japanese yen rises by 50%. What will be the value of country X's new trade weighted exchange rate index? Let's see how to calculate it. We will calculate this in the same way as we calculate CPI and RPI in the topic of measurement of inflation. So what we'll do is we will draw a table. So first we'll write currencies. There are two currencies. One is US dollar and other is Japanese yen. First of all, we'll write the weights. In the basket of currencies, we have only two currencies. The weights are calculated by the percentage of trade with the countries. So 90% of the trade is with USA. So against US dollar, let's write 90. And against Japanese yen, we'll write 10%, means 10. The sum of weights is 90 plus 10, 100. In order to calculate index, what we will do is we will find the exchange rate of the currency in base year. So let's assume these values as 100. Now exchange rate in current year. So exchange rate of the currency against the US dollar rises by 10%. So let's increase it by 10%, it will become 110. And the value of country X's currency against Japanese yen rises by 50%. So let's increase it by 50% and it will become 150. Now we will calculate index. The formula to calculate index is exchange rate in current year divided by exchange rate in base year multiplied by 100. So if we calculate this is current year, exchange rate 110 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. So 100 will be cancelled with this and the answer will be 110. Similarly, this answer will be 150. Now we will calculate weighted index. Weighted index is calculated by multiplying weight with index. So 90 multiplied by 110, it will be 9900. And for yen, 10 multiplied by 150, it will be 1500. Now the sum of weights will be 11400. In order to calculate trade weighted exchange rate, what we will do is we will take total weighted index and we'll divide it with total weight. So total weighted index is 11400 divided by 100. So the answer will be 114. So here is our option A and that is the correct answer. Next we have a question from summer 2010, paper 1-2, question 28. The topic is changes in exchange rate. The table shows the number of Jamaican dollars which exchanged for 1 unit of other currencies in June and July 2001. So 1 unit of other currencies, it means the exchange rate of other currencies is given. So let's write 1 with this, 1 with this, 1 with this and 1 with this. So 1 US dollar is equal to 45.78 Jamaican dollars in June 2001 and then 45.77 Jamaican dollars in July 2001. So from 78 to 0.77, this is US dollar is depreciating. UK pounds 63.86 to 64.37, it is appreciating. Guyana's dollar is unchanged, and Barbados dollar 23.19 to 23.12, it is depreciating. Now let's see the options. The question is what might be concluded from the table. The first option is there was an increase in demand for US dollars, so this is dollars, by Jamaicans. So if the demand of US dollars will increase, the value of US dollars must appreciate, but in the table it is depreciating. So A cannot be the answer. B. There was an increase in supply of UK pounds to Jamaicans. If supply of UK pounds will increase, it means the value of UK pound will depreciate, but here it is appreciating. So B cannot be the answer. C. There was a reduced supply of Guyana's dollar to Jamaicans. If supply will reduce, it means Guyana's dollar will appreciate, but it is unchanged. So this is not the answer. Hence D is the answer. Let's discuss option D. There was a reduced demand for Barbados dollar by Jamaicans. So demand is decreased, hence Barbados dollar will depreciate. So D is the answer. Let's make a diagram for this. So on x-axis we will write quantity of Barbados dollars, and here we will write exchange rate of Barbados dollars. So this is demand, this is supply, this point is equilibrium. So this is equilibrium exchange rate, let's call it ER0, and initially it is 23.19. so 1 Barbados dollar is equal to 23.19 Jamaican dollars. Now if the demand of Barbados dollar will reduce, this will shift the demand towards left. So let's call it D1. This is the new equilibrium point, and this is the new equilibrium exchange rate ER1. Now this is 1 Barbados dollar is equal to 23.12 Jamaican dollars. So here the exchange rate of 1 Barbados dollar is decreased, so Barbados dollar is depreciating. So D is the answer. Thank you very much.